Our next and final award is to an individual for an outstanding contribution to science, engineering, and technology over a lifetime. The Department of Science and Innovation has been sponsoring the NSTF Awards for 22 years.
Lifetime Award. Our finalists in this category: Professor William Bond, Professor Faisal Burks, Professor Raymond Durrheim, Professor Zacharias Pretorius, Professor Michelle Ramsey, Professor Marie Christine Ray, Professor Leslie Swartz, Professor Robert Wilkinson, Professor Michael Wingfield. For pioneering genomic medicine approaches in Africa and leading a transcontinental genomics project that seeks to uncover the genetic and environmental factors that contribute towards obesity, hypertension, diabetes, and kidney disease in Africans, the award goes to the Professor of Genetics and Director of the Sydney Brenner Institute of Molecular Bioscience and the DSI NRF Saatchi Chair in Bioinformatics and Genomics of African Populations at the University of the Witwatersrand, Professor Michelle Ramsey.
Good evening, everybody. It's a great honor to receive this prestigious award in recognition of the lifetime work that I've done in the field of human genetics. I always say that every day in the life of a scientist is a journey of discovery, and my field has been no exception. When I first started my PhD, I couldn't have dreamt that it would be possible one day to sequence whole human genomes at affordable prices. Yet, due to technological innovation, it is now possible to do so. And we have the pleasure of exploring genetic diversity to understand more about the history of the peoples of Africa and also to study genetic variation in the context of health and disease. There are a great number of people that I'd like to thank who've contributed to the work I've been able to do. And I'd like to start with my students. I've been privileged to work with enormously talented and hardworking students who teach me so much on a daily basis. Then I'd like to thank my colleagues who've been enormously supportive throughout my career and with whom I really enjoy working. And then, of course, to my collaborators, both here in South Africa, but on the African continent and in the world. And then to thank the leadership of the University of the Witwatersrand for the support that they've given me to be able to do my work. And I'd also like to thank the funders, because really they are the ones who believe that we can do the research that we do, and without them, we wouldn't be able to do so. And finally, I'd really like to thank my family for their tremendous support throughout my scientific career and for walking this journey with me every day. Thank you again for this recognition of my work in human genetics over the past 30-odd years. Thank you.